Fantastic. And I have a few questions for you before we proceed. So, what inspired you for this film, and is there a true story somewhere that inspired you?
Well, the reason I come from, which is western part of Odisha, it's a largely a tribal population area. It's it's basically we have seen almost 3 decades of man-made drought, which was basically people were not saving water. Because of that, there was water scarcity, there was drought. So we have literally seen the value of water. When there is no water, what happens with that? How water becomes currency. So that has inspired me to create this story. And then rather than making a dark sort of art house cinema, I thought I'll make something, enjoyable, entertaining, yet create a message out of it so that rest of the world can get inspired from that story, which is what the whole idea of creating this film.
Did you feel obliged to set the story in Odisha because you belong there, or is the problem in the story a typical case?
No, I'm proud to. I mean, there's nothing to oblige, but yes, also as a filmmaker, as a storyteller, I would say that we hardly see anything from Odisha. So I think it's more or less probably the first Hindi film from Odisha, the story from Odisha.
You've been personally involved in this cause-based cinema, be it with I Am Kalam or Jalpari, and now water. So is there a particular reason for this?
Well, every story is social, if you see. It's not that I only make social cinema. Even all those big blockbusters are also social cinema. So my films are, it comes from the experience which I had. I have lived with, or I have seen the story. So probably it is more close to people. The stories are like that.
Fantastic. So now it's time to meet the stellar cast, and we have a bad man turned good. Please welcome none other than Gulshan Grover. A very good afternoon, sir. If I have to just ask you one question, I think that question is going to be, why कौन कितने पानी में?
कौन कितने पानी में? कौन कितने पानी में से चलकर आप में से आए हैं यहाँ पर? First of all, thank you to all of you. कौन लेटा है? बाहर मिलना मुझे. सबसे पहले तो आप सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, क्योंकि जब मैं खुद इस तरफ आ रहा था तो फिल्म के टाइटल की तरफ ध्यान जा रहा था कि मेरे ये मीडिया के दोस्त कौन कितने पानी में से चलकर किन किन परेशानियों से चलकर यहाँ पर पहुँचेगा. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका. थैंक यू वेरी मच आप सबका. फिल्म कौन कितने पानी में, why this film? That's what you're saying. Why did I act in this film? Neela Madhav Panda, one of the rarest director in India. It's Neela's magnanimity, graciousness that he said that he's not the only filmmaker who makes entertaining films with a message. I think he's the only filmmaker in India who makes entertaining, fantastic, delightful, smaller, performances-driven, content-driven films with a fantastic message laid underneath the film. Let's hear it for Neela Madhav Panda. I seriously mean it. अपने अलावा मैं किसी की तारीफ करता नहीं हूँ, आप जानते हैं. तो मैंने फिल्म आई एम कलाम में नीला माधव पांडा के साथ में काम किया था. आई एम कलाम एक छोटी सी फिल्म जिसमें चाइल्ड लेबर, चाइल्ड एजुकेशन से संबंधित थीम था, लेकिन नीला माधव पांडा की ब्रिलियंट डायरेक्शन, पूरी टीम का ब्रिलियंट कंट्रीब्यूशन, उसका रिजल्ट ये था कि आई वाज एट द स्क्रीनिंग ऑफ आई एम कलाम इन लॉस एंजलिस, वेयर देयर वर larger filmmakers, people from different walks of life, many of my fellow, actor friends in Los Angeles. Everybody felt the film was tremendous. Then I was in Houston, then I was in San Francisco, and in various parts of India. सभी जगह सभी लोगों ने यही कहा कि what a beautiful film. Only when you come out you realize that this has such a beautiful message. उसी तरह से when Neela Madhav Panda, narrated me, mentioned to me about this film, in which the basic theme is water. I said, this is fantastic. Such an entertaining, enjoyable, engrossing, kind of storytelling. और एक और यूनिक फिल्म एक चीज़ इस फिल्म के अंदर, like such wonderful performers, such fantastic actors in this film. And this is the first time where love happens because of water. Betrayal happens because of water. Enmity happens because of water. Even as you saw a shot in the film, a prostitute sleeps with a younger man because of water. Everybody is doing everything because of water. And in such an interesting way. And मेरी ये सवाल आपने पूछा नहीं, लेकिन मैं बता देना चाहता हूँ आपको कि मेरी नज़रों में ये दो कलाकार राधिका आप्टे और कुणाल कपूर की जो लव स्टोरी है इस फिल्म में, ये वाकई यूनिक होगी, क्योंकि पहली बार कोई किसी को वाटर के लिए प्यार कर रहा है, पानी पाने के लिए प्यार कर रहा है. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कहानी.
Thank you. Now I'd like to welcome the award-winning, heartwarming, much-loved Saurabh Shukla. Please welcome him on stage with a round of applause.
नमस्कार सबको. Thank you so much for coming here. शुरू करते हैं.
So, सवाल पूछने से पहले ये बात तो मैं आपसे कहना चाहूँगी कि you look fantastic today.
Thank you.
And my only question to you is, since we are talking about water crisis, what are your thoughts on it?
मेरे ख्याल से वाटर क्राइसिस पे सबका थॉट एक ही हो सकता है, मेरा भी वही थॉट है. मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूँगा, क्या होता है कि हम लोग जो ज़िंदगी जीते हैं, जहाँ पर हम लोग रहते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमें समझ में नहीं आती हैं. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, देयर इज़ टू मच ऑफ वाटर आउटसाइड राइट नाउ, एंड हमारे नलकों में भी पानी आ रहा है, तो ऐसा हमें लगता है कि क्या ठीक है यार, पानी तो है ही, उसमें थोड़ी बहुत पानी कम हो जाएगा तो क्या फ़र्क पड़ जाएगा. बट वी शुड नॉट फॉरगेट that somewhere we all have gone through the water crisis. जैसे मुझे अपने बचपन का याद है, नलकों में पानी चला जाता था. You happily wake up in the morning, then the first thing starts, you go to the toilet and the water goes. I think it's a pretty bad day. It's a pretty bad way of starting the day. So also on a serious note, people are dying because of water. महाराष्ट्र में ही अगर हम जो महाराष्ट्र का वो हिस्सा जहाँ पर बरसात नहीं होती है, पानी नहीं होता, वी नो दैट व्हाट वाटर कैन डू. विदाउट वाटर वी कैन नॉट सर्वाइव. और हम लोग अभी थोड़ा अवेयरनेस आ रहा है, थोड़ा हम लोग पानी को ठीक से कंजर्व करने लगे हैं, उसको यूज करने लगे हैं, लेकिन अभी भी हमें लगता है कि ये तो चलता रहेगा, मिलता रहेगा, लेकिन ऐसा है नहीं. The water will always be there. See, there's a scientific report which says that the water is never going to be less. It's going to be there in the ocean. But that water, you cannot survive on that water. It's the sweet water. It's the sweet water which nature provides you by the way of, monsoon. Because वही जो ocean का water है, वो जब convert होता है sweet water में, that is the water if we waste, then we had it. So I think जो एक बहुत ही simple और बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेज है इसके अंदर, इस फिल्म के अंदर, कि जस्ट नो द वैल्यू ऑफ वाटर. वी ऑल नो इट, theoretically we know it, but we must feel it. And the film, because it's a fictional film, so it does it beautifully. It just tells us that how we should respect water.
Fantastic. I'm sure after this, a lot of us will go back home and be a little more inspired towards the cause of saving water.
हाँ, मतलब पानी को बचा लीजिए, नहीं तो किए कराए पे पानी फिर जाएगा.
Next, I'd like to invite the very handsome, I'd like to call him the heartthrob, Kunal Kapoor.
Hi. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. And like he said that, thank you for wading through the water and getting here, because I know it's a bit of a pain to, in Bombay, when it starts raining, everything shuts down. So thank you so much for being here.
A very good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And it's great to see you back on the silver screen. Just a few questions.
Sure.
Could you please tell us something about the role in your movie, and also how was your experience shooting in Odisha?
Well, firstly, I think this is, like they all said, is a very interesting film, because I think it's very rarely that you come across a film that has something important to say, but is not being preachy, and is saying that in a way that is entertaining, in a way that is, that has a love story, that has drama, that has all the trappings of a commercial film, but at the same time has something important to say, and hopefully you'll take that with you when you leave the film. And the second thing that I felt was really interesting about the script was that it came from a place which was very close to his heart. He had lived in that world, he had experienced that. I mean, there's scenes in the film where water is actually a currency. So, people buy sarees by giving packets of water. A man goes to a prostitute and he gives packets of water. So water is really a currency, and that is something that he's experienced firsthand. Which is why, I think when you say something that's close to your heart, you bring perspectives to it that nobody's seen before. The role that I play is I play a king's son, and he is a son that is, they're a kingdom that has no money left, but they just pretend to be rich now. But they have absolutely no money left, and the son is studying outside the village, and the money is over, and he has to come back to the village to ask for more money from the father, when the father sets him up on a plan that he's not quite sure will work, and a plan that he's not comfortable with, because I think the underlying thing also is that he's a king, he knows how to rule the place. I'm still a prince, I've not learned the ropes, and I think that the world is a simple, honest place, but sometimes it's not. I think it's really interesting, first of all, the dynamics between the father and son, and secondly the plot of, like he said, I think it's the first love story where the hero actually sets out and falls in love so that he can get water. So that is really interesting as well.
Thank you. Now I'd like to call on the very gorgeous and uber talented, our very own Rangvati girl, none other than Radhika Apte. Please welcome her with a round of applause.
Thank you. Thanks for coming yet again. Everyone said thanks, so I won't repeat it too much. Thanks.
A very good afternoon. You've been doing quite a lot of different kind of roles. We've been seeing you doing that. So how different is your role in this movie? And you also dance in the movie. So could you please tell us something about that?
Yeah. It's actually completely different. It comes from a very different region, and as Madhab mentioned earlier, that there hasn't been a film from that region at all. So yes, it was different. It was a different experience altogether to go there and see the place and work there. My part, I am actually his daughter, and we are actually the people with similar amount of resources, but we have the awareness and intelligence to use them properly and conserve them. And my character, she's a girl from the rural part, and she goes to the city to study agriculture and comes back to the village to help the fellow people or whatever to conserve water, because in the trend is that you go to the city, you get your education and you stay there and you make money, whereas she decides to come back. So in a nutshell, that's the character. And yeah, dancing, that was a tough one, because we shot in the nights, and it was Sambalpuri, and I had never seen it or done it, and there was no time for rehearsal. So Madhav was like, "Ha, kar le yaar." And then I remember, do you remember he used to dance? He used to dance. You should see him dance. And he used to show something and say, "Ha, aisa kuch to kar lo." And we used to be like, "We can't do that. We need time to rehearse." But it was wonderful because all the dancers there. So the choreographer was from Bombay. We were from Mumbai, and the dancers were Sambalpuri. So they really helped us to get into get the moves rather, and we were dressed in the authentic costumes, Sambalpuri costumes. It was really beautiful. I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you so much. May I kindly request you all to take your seats?
We don't take directions very well.
Kunal, right
I'd like
there.
to add to this. Kunal, हर बात थोड़ी सुनते हैं हम. ठीक है. चूँकि कुछ बातें मिक्सअप हो गई, तो एक बात एक्सप्लेन करना बहुत ज़रूरी था. ये राजा लोग हैं, इधर आइए. हम आम आदमी हैं, प्रजा लोग, जिन्होंने पानी की अहमियत को समझा है. इसलिए असली राजा वो जिसके पास पानी.
May I kindly request you all to be seated right here? We're going to be opening the session for our lovely members of the media for Q&A. Members of the media, the session is now open. If you'd like to ask questions, we have mics in the audience.
मेरा सवाल आपसे कि इस फिल्म की शूटिंग के दौरान आपने मतलब जैसे गुलशन जी ने भी कहा आप ऐसे एरिया में रहे हैं, तो आपने कुछ मतलब एक नया इंडिया या कुछ एक नया फेस देखा जो आपने खुद एक्सपीरियंस किया, जो ड्रॉट प्रोन एरियाज हो गया, कुछ ऐसा कुछ आपका ऐसा कुछ अनुभव रहा क्या?
हाँ,
कैसा
हाँ,
लगा?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। आई मीन अगर इस तरह की पिक्चर नहीं करता तो एक्चुअली मुझे उन एरियाओं में जाने का मौका नहीं मिलता। वी ऑब्वियसली शॉट इन भुवनेश्वर एज वेल सम ऑफ द पार्ट्स, लेकिन बहुत सारी ऐसी सीन्स हैं जो हमने बहुत छोटे छोटे गाँव में शूट किए हैं। और जैसा इन्होंने कहा कि हम ऐसी जगहों पे रह रहे थे जहाँ पर ठीक ठाक रहने के लिए भी जगह नहीं थी। सो या यू गेट अ चांस टू एक्सपीरियंस थिंग्स दैट यू हैवंट एक्सपीरियंस बिफोर। और पानी की किल्लत को भी मुझे लगता है हम ठीक से समझते नहीं जब तक आप वहाँ पर जाएँ। वहाँ पर एक गांव था जिसके पास सिमिलर टू द फिल्म बहुत सारा पानी था, क्योंकि वो लोग सीख चुके थे कि पानी का इस्तेमाल कैसे किया जाता है। और एक गांव था जिसमें पानी बिल्कुल नहीं था, जैसे कि हमारा हाल है। तो आप जब ऐसे ऐसे छोटे ज़िलों में जाते हैं, छोटे गाँव में जाते हैं, तब आपको एहसास होता है कि एक्चुअली इंडिया में क्या हो रहा है, क्योंकि आप शहर में रहते हैं, आपको इतना कुछ पता नहीं चलता खास। तो हाँ, बहुत बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एक्सपीरियंस था मेरे लिए। और जैसा कि आपने कहा, अगर मैं ये पिक्चर का हिस्सा नहीं होता, ये एक्सपीरियंस मुझे लेने का मौका नहीं मिलता।
But the place now that you were asking, the interesting part was some of the shoot we shot some of the portions in Haryana because we couldn't find a village, the right village, and ironically, the upper village where we shot actually did not have groundwater, and our village where we shot had actually won the Swachh Bharat award. And the difference between these two villages was so drastic and was so like obvious and stark. I think that was another really interesting thing.
The story felt real. When we actually saw these villages, the film script felt real. कि वाकई जिन्होंने पानी की महत्व दिया, पानी को संभाला, वो स्वच्छ भारत का अवार्ड मिला और वो विलेज टू लुक एट। और जो विलेज जिन्होंने पानी की तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया, they were really looking like the village that these kings live in.
And the green village where the Sarpanch who won the President Award had spent a lot of time with Gulshan Ji. So Gulshan Ji was really inspired with that guy, Gumla.
गुलशन जी अब अपना खुद का विलेज शुरू करने वाले हैं, मतलब इतने इंस्पायर हो चुके हैं।
मेरा एक और सवाल है आप लोगों से, कास्ट से खास करके। जब ये फिल्म कंप्लीट हुई तो आपने अपने अंदर कुछ बदलाव महसूस किया? मतलब जैसे पानी, जैसे सौरभ जी ने कहा कि हम थियोरेटिकली तो जानते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं हमें पता है कि पानी को बचाना चाहिए, लेकिन ये मूवी की शूटिंग के बाद आपने अपने अंदर कुछ बदलाव किए, कुछ चेंजेस लाने की कोशिश की खुद से?
It'll sound very pompous, but I was always very careful and conscientious about water. And as he was saying, when I was really small in Pune and where we used to live, many times the water would just stop coming. And I remember one day, there was one vivid memory. I came home and my water bottle from school had a little bit of water. So I was chucking it. My mom said, how could you do that? Give it to me. And she was thirsty and she had that water. So I'm just saying that it was sort of, it's in me from a very young age. And yeah.
I like to add, जी, जैसा ख़ास तौर पे मैं भी एक lived on the outskirts of Delhi, एक मध्यम वर्गीय परिवार से हूँ जहाँ पर ये पानी की किल्लत, पानी की समस्या आप बचपन से ही महसूस करते हैं। जो मैंने इस फिल्म में और सीखा और वैलिडेट किया, वो पानी से संबंधित नहीं था, वो ये था कि जब मुझे फिल्म आई एम कलाम के लिए बेस्ट एक्टर का अवार्ड मिला, ख़ास तौर पर यहाँ पर स्टारडस्ट बेस्ट एक्टर अवार्ड, तो उस समय मेरी फेटर्निटी के दूसरे एक्टर, मेरे फेलो एक्टर्स, बहुत सारे मेरे डियर फ्रेंड स्टार्स वहाँ मौजूद थे। तो वन ऑफ द थिंग दैट आई सेड दैट टू गेट इंटरेस्टिंग मटेरियल दैट विल गेट यू ट्रूली अवार्ड्स, स्टेप आउट ऑफ द कंफर्ट्स ऑफ योर एयर कंडीशन वैनिटी वैन्स, only then something exciting, something fantastic will be offered to you. तो जब इस फिल्म के रहने के दौरान जो हमने तकलीफ़ें और परेशानियां उठाई, honestly all of us, it was our room was जो अब यहाँ पर हमारे बाथरूम से ज़रा सा बड़ा, करेक्ट, हमारा कोई जिम नहीं था और खाने के मेन्यू को हम पूरी तरह से जानते थे, रोज़ाना मतलब उसी प्रकार का। तो ऐसी बहुत सारी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी की चीज़ें जिन्हें हम भूल गए थे फिल्म स्टार होने की वजह से। इसके अलावा लोगों के बीच में खाट पर चारपाई पर बैठ के, जिसका श्रेय क्या कहते हैं सौरभ जी को बहुत जाता है इन अ वेरी सीरियस वे, दैट ही वाज really extremely comfortable, and he had a enormous fan following, including all of us, in the comfort that he exuded from his body, from his कि अगर एक ही कमरा है, सब उसमें सब तैयार हो रहे हैं, एक तरफ कुणाल, एक तरफ राधिका, एक तरफ हम अपने अलग अलग शीशों के सामने यहाँ वहाँ। तो जो सीखने की बात थी कि किस प्रकार से हम अच्छी एक्टिंग करने के लिए, अच्छी फिल्म बनाने के लिए, या कंफर्टेबल ज़िंदगी जीने के लिए बहुत सारी चीज़ें जिनके हम आदी हो गए उनकी ज़रूरत नहीं है। मैंने तो ये सीखा।
एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ मैं आप लोगों को बताता हूँ। मैं जब भी पहले बाहर की फिल्में देखा करता था, तो उसमें जब भी ब्रश करने का शॉट होता था या सुबह सुबह ऐसा कोई सीन होता था, तो ब्रश करने के बाद यूजुअली एक ग्लास लेके वो कुल्ला कर देते थे। वो मुझे कभी समझ में नहीं आता था, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ इतना अबंडेंस में है पानी, वो नलका चलता रहता है, ब्रश करते रहते हैं, नलका चलता रहता है। तो मुझे ये फिल्म से पहले हुआ कि जब मुझे समझ में आया कि पानी जैसे कि कूड़ा नहीं फेंकना चाहिए, उसी तरीके से पानी को भी कंजर्व करना चाहिए, तो बड़ी दिक्कत हुई शुरू में, क्योंकि आपको आदत पड़ चुकी है उस फ्लो की। जैसे अगर आपको शावर के नीचे आदत पड़ चुकी है नहाने की, तो आप एक्चुअली आधी बाल्टी पानी से नहा सकते हैं बहुत अच्छे से, लेकिन आप नहाते इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि वो फिर आपको आपकी हैबिट चेंज होती है। और इस फिल्म के बाद मुझ में एक बहुत बड़ा बदलाव आया। मैंने पानी के बारे में जाना, और एक चीज मैंने बिल्कुल पक्की कर दिया, नाउ आई ड्रिंक नीट, आई डोंट मिक्स वाटर।
जी, आई डोंट थिंक ऐसे एक कॉन्शियस लेवल पे आप सोचना शुरू करते हैं कि मैं पानी बचाऊंगा अब, बट आई थिंक सबकॉन्शियसली जब आप इस तरह की जगह में रहते हैं और आपको रियलाइज़ होता है कि पानी एक्चुअली करेंसी है कई जगहों पे, और लोग मतलब चीज़ें खरीदते और बेचते हैं पानी के लिए, तो सबकॉन्शियसली आपको इफ़ेक्ट करना शुरू कर देता है। और मुझे लगता है ऑटोमेटिकली, जैसे सौरभ जी कह रहे थे कि आप जब शावर के नीचे होते हैं आप पानी बंद कर देते हैं, जब नलके चल रहे होते हैं आप उसके ऊपर ध्यान देते हैं, तो एक सबकॉन्शियसली आपके अंदर ऑटोमेटिकली एक ट्रिगर बन जाता है जो आपको हमेशा रिमाइंड करता रहता है कि ये गलत है।
एक I'll just add on to that, एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग सा मुद्दा है कि even actors, they said, is it about the future of India? If the film is futuristic, जैसे शेखर कपूर बना रहे हैं कि 50 साल के बाद मुंबई क्या होगा, तो मैंने कहा कि ये सिचुएशन अब है। सो वन ऑफ द इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट ऑफ द फिल्म इज, ऑल्दो द स्टोरी आई हैव ड्रिवन फ्रॉम वेस्टर्न ओडिशा, but the elements which is there in the films are from different parts of the country. So one of the part is when you see this village Parcel, which is right here, in Vidarbha district. There were a lot of village which had the hoarding saying that village Parcel, because there was no water, there was farmer suicide, lot of things. In Bundelkhand, if you go, there are like hundreds of farmer committing suicide because of this. And there is a very recent story, both in Madhya Pradesh and in Maharashtra, where the man went and married 3 times just to fetch water, because the water is quite far. He said, the only way I can get water is if I have 2-3 women who will fetch water for me. So this is present India. Forget about the other country, what is happening,
You have got the essence and everything. There is also one song, the Rangabati song, which has been used in the film, but it's in Hindi, for which you've kind of received a lot of flack. Would you like to explain what was the reason behind, and how do you see the criticism?
Well, I'm somebody who is out of, I hate controversy, all those stuff. But the song came into, when you think of, I grew up with that song called Rangabati. It comes from my region. And when we, Deepak Venkatesan, who is the writer, when he started writing, there was one point of time when there is a celebration of rice. So, forget about Odisha only, you go to Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, anywhere, celebration of rice, new rice is a big thing. So the first thing comes in mind to celebrate that is a song. Song what? Which we have been hearing for last 4-5 decades. We've been like living with that song. That's how Rangabati comes into the film. And of course it's not, you'd say, I'm not putting the original Rangabati, it is inspired from Rangabati. It's like a similar milieu, in terms of the the lyrics, the music, beautiful lyrics which is written by Pratik Majumdar. It's about a beautiful woman and her connotation with the water, the land, the green, the rice, everything, and how we celebrate in front of the God.
The film gives a very strong message of how it's important to conserve water and respect the abundance we have today. In similar spirit, the government of India is trying to request people to give up the LPG subsidy so that they could help the needy and poor. I want a reaction from each of you all, if possible.
You mean, are we going to make another film on LPG? Is that what you're asking?
But I'd just like you to react on
Obviously, there are many social causes, and it's not one. The government is saying LPG, yes. I mean, people who have the pipelines now, we all had cylinders, but most of us now have in big cities, we have the pipelines, we are getting the gas, so we should give away the, and if there is a subsidy, like if one earns that much that you don't need it, then it will be used for somebody else. So obviously it should be done. And I'll tell you that it's not that Indians do not want to give that up. This subsidy in a personal life is not too much. It's just pure lethargy. That we think कि यार कौन किसको फोन करेगा, फिर पता नहीं कौन आएगा, फिर बिल मांगेगा, फिर बोलेगा यार आपने कैसे ली थी, फिर वो करेगा. I mean, these are the things because of which we step back. Otherwise, I don't think that anybody should have any problem in giving up the subsidy.
Yeah, like he said, I mean, there's I don't think there's any question that we would have a problem giving it up, because if you're making enough money and you're earning well, you want the wealth, you want to make it easier for other people. But the processes have to be easier. I think once the processes are in place and they're really easy and really simple to follow, I don't see. I think most people would not have a problem doing that. I wouldn't for sure, and I think most people around me wouldn't for sure either. So yeah, I think if the processes are easy and simple, I think there's no reason that people should have a reservation about it.
पहली बात तो ये कि बिल्कुल जिसके पास रिसोर्सेज हैं उसे सब्सिडी में कुछ भी नहीं लेना चाहिए. सिर्फ गैस ही क्यों, मैं तो खैर लेता ही नहीं हूँ, और जो लोग ले रहे हैं उनकी लिस्ट मेरे पास भेजिए, मैं सब ठीक कर दूँगा.
Well, I don't have anything new to say. I do agree with that, and I personally think that people should give up the subsidies. But I think there are mixed reasons why people sort of tend to delay the process of doing that. One, I think sometimes they just need a long time to get convinced, because subsidy is a discount of some sorts. So that is one. And secondly, yes, the system is very painful. So I think that's more or less what.
Well, something really hurt me always is when I see people eating and leave food, If you don't eat that much, you should not take. And the whole idea of give it up is a very interesting concept, that any of us who has extra cloth, extra food, extra gas, whatever, we should give it up. And coming back to music, somebody just asked. Yeah. We have
I'll just, before we start about music, just to add to this thing, though it is not related with the film. Sure. अभी जो subsidy देने की बात हो रही है ना, कि give up the subsidy, we should not. हम लोगों को राशन कार्ड की जरूरत नहीं है. We don't buy rice, sugar on a rationing basis. But please, अगर ये बात अगर आप लोग पहुंचा सकें तो पहुंचाइए कि भाई चक्कर क्या है कि अगर मैं राशन कार्ड छोड़ दूंगा ना, तो पासपोर्ट छोड़िए, मतलब मेरी जिंदगी बंद हो जाती है. तो फॉर जबरदस्ती एक राशन कार्ड मैंने रखा हुआ है. सो ये जो जबरदस्त, लोग ये भी डर जाते हैं कि यार कल को मेरे को गैस का कनेक्शन मुझसे पूछ लिया गया तो मैं क्या करूंगा यार. सो इट्स नॉट अ सिंपल थिंग, इट्स नॉट एज इजी एज कि भाई आप लोग गिव अप कर दीजिए. गिव अप करवाइए ना, तो आप चीजें उतनी सिंपल कर दीजिए ना. मेरी समझ में नहीं आता है कि पासपोर्ट जो है दैट इज द ओनली डॉक्यूमेंट विच प्रूव्स एवरीथिंग. मैं वो पासपोर्ट लेके जाता हूँ, लोग पासपोर्ट नहीं लेते हैं,
आधार कार्ड.
वो कहते हैं आधार कार्ड है नहीं, तो कहते हैं राशन कार्ड लेके आओ. क्या मतलब है यार.
Badlapur and so on. So how did you prepare for this rural character?
Well, I don't have a distinction between rural and urban, so black and white distinction anyway. So I think every character is different, and the preparation for every character, whether it's rural, urban, whatever, is different. But still, if you want to stick the word rural to it, that I've played rural characters before. So I think what was different was that it was from a different region, so it had a different history to it, and different culture to it. So I think this was him who sort of briefed me, and my preparation involved that.
And you recently entered into television as well. So how was that experience?
I haven't entered television. I did one telefilm with Anurag Basu, and I'm very proud of that. And that's it for now. Don't jinx it.
No, we want it for this film. We want it for sure. No, thank you, brother. We want it. Radhika is our lucky charm. And also, I'll tell you one thing. This trailer does not do justification to the kind of role and performance that Radhika has in the film. She is, brilliant in the film, and she has, in fact, the longest and the most strong role in some of her recent films that you've seen. Then in comparison to those films, this film has tremendous performance from her, and a role that has, although she's educated in the city, but her roots are there. And on top of it, we are the supposed to be वो गरीब लोग जिनको क्या कहते हैं, जिन्होंने तकलीफों में चीज़ों को सीख कर आगे बढ़े हैं. Am I right?
Yeah, he's very kind always. But no, I think it's been a good coincidence that the films have released in the same year, and good for me that they've worked. So.
Sir, water is a.
I don't know about that, but.
Sir,
yeah.
water is a national problem. Water crisis. So, are you expecting a tax-free from the government, or you are trying tax-free?
जब ये सौरभ जी कह रहे थे सब्सिडी के बारे में, तो एक ख्याल दिमाग में जा रहा था कि सब्सिडी के साथ कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि गलत लोगों को मिल जाती है. ऐसी फिल्म जो सब्सिडी, टैक्स माफ, हर उसके लिए दिस फिल्म इज़ द राइट एग्जाम्पल. ये फिल्म कमर्शियल भावना से नहीं बनाई गई, हालांकि एक कमर्शियली एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म है. जैसा कि बताया, कलाकार अगर ऐसे होटल्स में रहे हैं तो मेहनताना भी हमें क्या मिला होगा. तो सौरभ नहीं तो हम तो यही चाहेंगे कि ऐसी फिल्म को सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट आप मीडिया का मिले, कि ये फिल्म को टैक्स माफ भी हो, लोग देखें भी इस फिल्म को. ये हमारी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है. और हमारी इस फिल्म को लोगों तक पहुंचाने की डेस्परेशन इतनी, देख लीजिए, मुझे तो कोई कपड़े पहना कर बुला नहीं सकता. मैं तो अपने सेक्सी सूट पहन कर आता हूं, बट इस फिल्म के कपड़े, संबलपुरी कपड़े पहनकर, कि somehow this film gets registered. Thank you. कौन कितने पानी में, बाहर मिलना बाकी.
अच्छा कुणाल, आप राधिका के बारे में बताएं, उनके साथ काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस.
अरे बहुत परेशानी हुई यार, बहुत टैंट्रम फेंकती है, और मतलब कभी सेट पे टाइम पे नहीं आती, लाइंस नहीं याद रखती, तो बहुत मुश्किल काम था.
किसिंग सीन के बारे में बताइए.
No, it's been great. I've had a really good time working with her, and I think we have a comfort level. We became friends while shooting the film. I don't know who I'm talking to right now actually, because I don't know who's asked me the question. Where are you? Acha. Yeah, so I think we had a really good time, and I can sort of speak for both of us, hopefully. I think we became really good friends while shooting the film, and I think when you get along, there's a comfort level. I think the scenes become easier to do. So yeah, it was great. We had a really good time. जी अब उम्मीद यही है. I was just looking back at my career, and I realized I've done just very few films, and I don't think that's a good idea. I intend to do a lot more work. देखिए, दो तरीके होते हैं लाइफ में. एक तो ये होता है कि आपको जो मिल रहा है आप करते रहिए. दूसरा ये होता है कि आपको जो पसंद आता है और आप जिस चीज़ के लिए एक्साइटेड होते हैं वो करिए. So far I've chosen the latter. Hopefully, there will be scripts that I really enjoy and lots of them. So I will be able to stick to the latter. But if that is not a possibility, I think I'll have to sort of take a slight step towards the other side as well. Well, so far so good. We're having a really good time.
Thank you, members of the media, for joining us. This press conference has definitely been very special because just talking about the film is inspiring so many of us. We have so many questions coming across. So I'm sure that the film is going to be reaching out to a lot more people. Thank you so much. And members of the media, if you'd like photo opportunity.
Thank you so much.